Welcome to CDG Inspection, a global leader in testing and inspection services. Our ISO 148-2 testing services focus on the calibration and verification of Charpy pendulum impact testing machines. With years of expertise, our professionals conduct meticulous assessments to verify your machines align with ISO standards. Charpy impact tests measure a material's toughness, an essential property for safety and durability in critical applications. At CDG Inspection, we utilize advanced technology to ensure the accuracy of every test result. Our team ensures every aspect of the testing process adheres to stringent international standards. Calibration and verification of testing machines are vital to maintaining the integrity of your results and your reputation. Our laboratories are equipped with cutting-edge tools to deliver precise and reliable testing services. We strictly adhere to ISO 148-2 guidelines to ensure your Charpy impact testing machines meet international requirements. CDG Inspection is powered by a team of skilled experts committed to delivering excellence. Every calibration and verification service we provide is backed by thorough quality assurance processes. Our services are trusted worldwide, making us the preferred choice for testing and verification. Join our growing list of satisfied clients who rely on CDG Inspection for all their testing needs. Visit www.cdginspection.com to learn more and make an inquiry today. CDG Inspection, setting the benchmark in quality testing services.